Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra pre-order could get you a free Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Smart Tag. Alongside with that, we have some new information about the Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra dimensions alongside with its transparent cases. With that being said, the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G gains a regulatory approval and we have a new color option for the Galaxy Watch Active. And with that being said, a new Samsung display video has been released which gives us a pretty much good detail what Samsung is cooking up in the foldable smartphone world. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is in the leaks and rumor mills right now, and literally there are few days remaining for the launch event, and now we are seeing that officially some details has been leaked courtesy to Evan Bloss, who has shared a new images which gives us a pretty much good detail what the device is going to be coming with. The pre-order Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to be coming with the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Galaxy Smart Tag. These are the two new products that are coming alongside with the Galaxy S21 series, and they are not going to be bundled alongside with the Galaxy S21 or S21 Plus, but instead they are going to be available if you pre-order the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And the next leak is coming for the Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra dimensions with the cases on, and these cases are going to be the transparent cases. And according to that information that is coming from Twitter leakster Tron, and he has shared these images of both devices, and if you look at these images you will notice that there is going to be an 11mm thickness of the Galaxy S21 Plus alongside with its camera module, whereas the 76.2mm widens of the device width, and in terms of height is going to be 162mm. And on the bottom of the device we have USB-C port which is going to be 14mm. So obviously this is going to be a slimmer device than the last year Galaxy S20 series, just because the reason it is going to be coming with a 5nm processor inside. But that being said, the S21 Ultra dimension has also been released, and it is going to be a little bit thicker, or 1mm thicker than the Galaxy S21 Plus. It's going to be coming with 12mm of the thickness and 77mm of width and 165.5mm of length. The USB Type-C is going to be 14mm. Obviously this is going to be a little bit wider, larger and thicker, just because the reason it is going to be coming with 5000 mAh battery capacity, S Pen support and some other good stuff inside. Moving on towards the other information, Samsung officially released a video on their Samsung Display YouTube channel where they have showcased different models of the display which they are going to be releasing. One of the pretty notable one is going to be the foldable display that are going to be coming in 2021 from Samsung or in 2022. According to that video, you will notice that it showcases us there is going to be an in-fold device which is coming with a punch hole display on top, and the bezels around the edges are pretty much slim, whereas the other one is going to be a multi-fold G foldable device which is going to be even larger in terms of the foldable devices, and it can open in 3 different ways. With that being said, there is an in and out fold, and it is going to be also a 3 folding mechanism. And the most important thing that is going to be noticeable that it is going to be coming with no camera sensor on the front of the device. And also Samsung has showcased the slide-able OLED display that is expected to be coming this year, and the last one is going to be a stretchable OLED panel that is going to be expected this year around. So obviously I am very much excited about that. These are some of the concept images that Samsung has officially released, so we can expect that Samsung may release these devices at the end of this year or maybe in the next year. The Twitter leakster Antron gives us a detail that the next Galaxy Watch Active 2 LTE is gonna be coming with a photo and violet color as well, and it has a new latest health feature which is going to be obviously very good design. I honestly love the golden and violet color option combination that Samsung is providing, is absolutely amazing. So the last information is for the Galaxy A52 5G that gains a regulatory approval. The Chinese CC certification gives us a detail that the device is going to be coming with a 15 watt of a charger inside, and it has a model number SME5260. So guys, these are some of the latest information about the Galaxy S21 series. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the pre-order incentives which you will get using the Galaxy S21 Ultra in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.